One bright morning, Elsa visited Cinderella's beautiful castle. The two friends were very excited to spend the day together. Cinderella wanted to show Elsa her special glass slippers that the fairy godmother had given her. As Cinderella gently held one of the slippers, Elsa leaned in closer to admire it. "It's so beautiful and shiny," Elsa said. But suddenly, without meaning to, Elsa's cold magic slipped from her fingertips and touched the slipper. The glass slipper froze instantly. It sparkled even more, but it was now covered in thick ice. Cinderella gasped. "Oh no! Elsa, it's frozen." Elsa looked worried. "I'm so sorry, Cinderella. I didn't mean to freeze it. But don't worry, I'll help fix it." Cinderella smiled kindly. "Thank you, Elsa. But we must hurry. The slipper's magic must be restored before midnight. If not, the spell may break forever." The two friends decided to visit the fairy godmother for help. They rushed into the magical forest where the fairy godmother lived, hoping she could undo the icy spell. When they arrived, the fairy godmother examined the frozen slipper. She shook her head gently. "This is powerful ice magic, Elsa. To fix it, you must find the Fireflower that grows on top of the crystal mountain. Its warmth will melt the ice without breaking the slipper." Elsa and Cinderella knew the journey would be dangerous, but they were brave. "We can do this together," Elsa said. Cinderella nodded, and they set off on their quest. As they climbed the crystal mountain, they faced many challenges. Cold winds blew strongly, and slippery ice made the path dangerous. Elsa used her magic to create safe bridges of snow, while Cinderella carefully balanced and encouraged her friend. Suddenly, a snow wolf appeared and blocked their path. It growled loudly. Cinderella gently spoke. "We don't want to hurt you." Elsa used her magic to create a soft snowball and tossed it aside. The snow wolf chased after it happily, clearing their way. After a long climb, they finally reached the top. In the center of the glowing ice stood the Fireflower, shining with bright orange and red colors. Carefully, Elsa picked the flower and wrapped it in a warm cloth. They rushed back to the fairy godmother's cottage. The fairy godmother placed the Fireflower near the frozen slipper. Warm light glowed, and the ice slowly melted away. The glass slipper sparkled once more, just as beautiful as before. "You did it!" Cinderella cheered. Elsa smiled happily. "We did it together." As the clock struck midnight, the slipper's magic was fully restored. The fairy godmother clapped her hands. "The spell is safe again, thanks to your friendship and bravery." Elsa and Cinderella hugged each other, grateful for their adventure. They learned that even when mistakes happen, teamwork and kindness can fix everything.